Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in with the account that owns the realm. This ensures you have deletion rights. Once signed in, open the realms list and tap the specific world slot you plan to remove. Make a local backup immediately, export or copy the world and label it with today's date, because deletion is irreversible. After the backup is confirmed, proceed to the world details page to begin the deletion sequence. This first step stops data loss and prepares you for the next actions. Now enter the World Settings or Edit World menu for the chosen slot. This is where deletion controls live. Tap Delete World, read the warning text carefully, and then confirm your intent with the on-screen confirmation. This prevents accidental loss. Once deletion runs, you should manage the freed slot. Upload another save, restore the backup you made, or leave it empty for later. Make sure to inform collaborators or players about timing, so no one is surprised. Finish by verifying the world no longer appears in the realm list and that the slot behaves as expected. If you want the same map back, upload your saved backup or restore it into the now empty slot. Make sure file names match so you pick the correct save. Finally, notify your players about the completed change. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck your backup files and confirm you used the correct owner account before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.